How's it going today? This is Chase Escom with the Challenge DAC project, Challenge EOS, Challenge DAC, CHL token, all one and the same. We're a decentralized, open source project that allows people to create and participate in task and geo challenges. And what is a challenge, you ask? A challenge is a set of rules with cryptocurrency contained in it, and the ability for somebody to submit proof below that challenge, and then the crypto then gets unlocked and deposited to the person who completed the challenge. So we've had people create challenges to help their social media. They give out cryptocurrency for people who retweet the things that they tweet out, or they give out a little bit of cryptocurrency to share something on Facebook. So we've had all types of stuff. Trying to think of some of the interesting challenges we've had. We've had people ask for people to follow their Instagram to get more Instagram followers. Retweets have been very popular. So one of the cool things about challenges, there's a lot of opportunity to be creative. We think a lot of the best challenge concepts are yet to come, and really, we give you about a paragraph to write down the instructions. We let you deposit 8 different types of tokens, and we let you enter the amount of tokens that you want to enter as a reward, and the rest is up to you. And it's a great way for people to win cryptocurrency pretty much on a daily basis. Every day people are posting challenges, and they're usually easy to participate in, and it's a great way to... How's it going, Ray? It looks like we're getting some more people on the live stream here. So most of the time it's very simple challenges and easy to win. So I know a lot of the challenge users who are using the app every day are winning cryptocurrency every day, all types of different tokens, by doing very simple things. So and it's a great way if you have a business, or you have some sort of project that you're trying to get the word out about. We've demonstrated that challenge is like 10,000% more effective than Facebook ads at dollar per dollar. So if you spend like $10 of advertising in Facebook, that you're going to get the same effects almost with like $1 of CHL, or $1 of using our application. So that's really the innovation that we've come up with, is allowing people to seamlessly and effortlessly give out cryptocurrency for people who contribute with them, or people who cooperate with them. That's probably the best way to put it. You cooperate with somebody digitally through our app, then that gives you the chance of winning that cryptocurrency prize that person, the challenge creator, set up. And any disagreements between the challenge creators and the challenge participants are resolved on the app through our rating system. Both people are allowed to rate each other. So if you're somebody who doesn't get rewarded and does complete the challenge, you can give that challenge creator who doesn't reward you, or say it takes a long time for them to reward you, you can give them a low rating. And likewise, if you create a challenge and somebody tries to cheat or copy someone else's work, then you can give them a bad rating as well. So be wary if you're using the application of people with super low ratings. I would participate with them or cooperate with them at your own risk. And most of the people keep it honest. Most of the people on the application have 5 stars, and at least 4.8. So shortly we should be getting City Mills on here to do our weekly AMA. Usually we do it on Saturday, but we had a issue with the schedule, so we're doing it a day early. So we're committed to at least once a week coming on here and taking your guys' questions and seeing what you guys have to say. Because if you're running a project or you're part of the project, and you're trying to be a leader, be a leader in the project and show people what's getting done, it's important to answer their questions and put everyone on the same page. So, we're not a project that had a big ICO and then puts out an idea and runs away. No, we're committed to development, to growing, and to making challenge into a real technology provider behemoth. We want, what we're doing right now is good evening. Yeah, what we're doing right now, no one else is really doing. So if you think about it, geo challenges, task challenges, just giving people the ability to set up customizable smart contracts, that's got to be a big industry, and it's going to be a big industry 10 years from now, 20 years from now. But we're just kind of the first people to create it and to figure it out. So if we're able to hold strong, keep our position in the market, and keep innovating, keep growing, I think we're going to be here to stay for a long time and be a major player. And that helps all you guys who have challenge tokens. So anyone who's downloaded the app, you automatically get 20 CHL tokens, so you become kind of a stakeholder in the community. And what we do is, if you've been on challenge for any amount of time, you notice that there's getting to be more and more challenges being made, where our newsfeed's getting more crowded. What we're doing is, people with the CHL token, you can use that token to vote for challenges, and the more CHL that's voting for a particular challenge, the higher it goes up in the newsfeed. So being a challenge holder, it looks like we've got City Mills here. Let's see if we got a good connection. Awesome, I love it. I love it. Diesels, so in the comment section, it says, I make challenges daily. Well, that's great. I mean, it's it's better to, I think the challenge creators get more out of it than the challenge participants. We've had a lot of success. What's going on, City Mills?
Yeah, hello everyone. Shout out Chase.
Yep. Awesome. Good to have you. So yeah, I was just giving everyone a rundown of the project for people who aren't familiar with it. Telling them that we're kind of the world's first smart contract creation and completion type software. We let people create challenges, put cryptocurrency in the challenges, and then reward people for carrying out the challenges. And so we've been busy this week. Had a ton of different challenges, and we're doing our AMA a day early. But also, I was telling people how we're committed to at least once a week coming on here, taking people's questions, and getting feedback from the community. We're not a project that did a big ICO and that now is running and hiding from our token holders. We want to have them participate, give us feedback, and all work together. Looks like thanks for the.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Diesel's daddy. Yeah. So as I was saying, I'm happy about how our platform has become. I think in due time we will grow more than this.
Yeah. Yeah, I think right now people are just starting to take notice of what we've done, and we've just been quiet the last 2-3 years, and built solid blockchain infrastructure. We've built a solid, easy to use, useful app, and is starting to get more and more people to use it. And hopefully we can grow, and hopefully we get more people. We get bigger partners. We're working on the Telos partnership. Hopefully we'll get that, and a few other partnerships too. Some new exchanges, hopefully, and we'll become a big player, big powerhouse.
Yeah, like I think a partnership with the Vigor platform will go a long way.
Yeah. And for you guys that haven't checked the app yet, if you go on the challenge app, there's a nice 300 Vigor challenge that City Mill just posted. You want to tell us about it?
Yeah, Vigor platform is a decentralized finance platform where you can lend crypto, you can borrow crypto, and you can also stake crypto for rewards. So I shared the link on my challenge. You will see the link to the Vigor platform. So when you head over to the platform, the website, you read about the platform. What I'm asking our community members to do is to make a video, a 1 minute video, telling us why they would love to see CHL added on the Vigor platform. So I'm giving out 300 Vigor tokens to the first 15 users who are going to carry out the challenge. So thanks to the CEO, Chase Escam, the Challenge Deck boss, for making it possible for me to carry out the challenge.
Yeah. It sounds like a cool challenge, and it wasn't me that made it possible. It was probably about 30 other people that's been working on it and building it and stuff. So I'm just everybody's cheer,
Yeah.
just kind of cheer everybody along, and a lot of other people who are smarter than me, kind of build the uh, the infrastructure and build the technology. So, but yeah, I think that's a good challenge. And Vigor, looks like they're committed to building on the EOS network, and we've done so much for the EOS network. We're one of the top dApps on the EOS network, so I think it would make sense for them to have the CHL token. I see they have the IQ token, they got EOS, and they got their Vigor token. And I think
Yeah,
a lot of their users would be happy to use CHL too. And
that's right.
I think once it gets listed, then you can do like CHL loans. You can do maybe get interest on CHL. I think that sort of thing is what they make possible. So, um,
Sure.
DeFi is a cool space. It's a really big space right now in crypto, and it'd be nice to have some collaboration. And
That's cool.
yep. And I think what was it last week? We did a 3speak competition too. We were trying to get some collaboration with 3speak. Did you run that challenge, or was
Yeah.
it Willow?
Yeah, I did. I did run the challenge.
Yeah. So I think that was a good challenge. Maybe we'll do something like that in the future with 3speak. We got some cool 3speak videos made, and then we had a couple other cool challenges with Robinhood. Robinhood's adding some new crypto tokens, so we aren't quite
Yeah.
sure which tokens they are, but maybe CHL is going to make the list. So
Yeah.
we've been
Yo,
encouraged.
Chase,
Yeah.
can you give me 5 minutes? I want to turn my power back on.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'll take over for the next 5 minutes.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. And so we got the Robinhood app, which is very big here in the United States. I know we got users all over all over the world, but Robinhood seems to be like a pretty big application here in the United States, and with lots of users. Right now, they have limited crypto. They have like 4 or 5 tokens that they offer, but they're looking to expand that list, and we're thinking that um, that'd be a good token for them to list, and that would probably really help us leaps and bounds if we were on the Robinhood app. And I think a lot of it just comes down to us being vocal and letting people know, letting people know that there's a community there. I mean, there's thousands of tokens. If you go on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, I think there's 2,000-3,000 tokens projects. A lot of them probably are dead or don't have anything going on, but the projects that do have something going on, like us, that have users, that have a community, it's very important that we let people know there's something behind CHL community, a technology, and and we gotta let people like in Robinhood know that, because a lot of people who work at Robinhood, I don't know how much they know about crypto. They got like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, all the simple ones. So hopefully they're doing their research and they can add CHL, add a a token that is got a use case, it's got growing users. And this time last year we were at about 300-400. I think what were we in March right now? I think last year we were at maybe 400 users. Now we're going to be at past 10,000. So we've had over 10x growth in users. And just the fact that we started off so small, our growth has been it's been really big. But if we just continue on the trajectory that we're in, I think you're going to be hearing a lot from us, and hopefully that's good. Hopefully that's good. So, but it all starts with people making challenges, participating in challenges. That's the heart of the project. Other projects that have only white papers and ideas, they spend a lot of time on marketing and different, giving away their token to people who can shill the token. But we got some technology that we've built, that we've developed, and we give, and that's kind of the lifeblood of the project. So that's a lot more than a lot of other projects can say. And hopefully we're just trying to fan the flames and keep it growing. And all you guys on the chat here who help, who contribute, you guys are what make it possible. CHL is boom. I like it. CHL is boom. And you can pick up a lot of CHL right now for relatively not much money. So, I know people like Dogecoin, but Dogecoin is like $6 or $7 billion market cap, maybe even more, $8 billion market cap. And the market cap of Challenge DAC's under a million. So it looks like City Mills is getting back here on the live stream. Hopefully he got his power back and he's good to go. And just wait for the connection. Hope everyone's having a good Friday, enjoying themselves. And it's almost the weekend. So sorry we had to push this a day early. Usually we do this on Saturday. What's going on?
Yeah.
You got your
Sorry for the. Yeah. I'm back, guys.
No worries.
So, hello, community. Yep. If you just joined us, kindly take a screenshot so we can confirm that you attended the live stream. Then, if you ask the question, take a screenshot too, so that you get your rewards after the live stream. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah. So you guys heard him. Anybody who asks a question during the live stream can get rewarded. So it's an easy way of getting CHL, and by simply asking a question, taking a screenshot of it, and then you get that to us later on after the AMA. We'll hook you up with a reward. So easy way of getting crypto. And that's one thing that we're really big on, is making it easy for people to get into crypto, winning crypto easily.
Okay. I talked with the Vigor platform admin yesterday, and I'm arranging an AMA where they're going to be hosting the Challenge EOS community.
Awesome. So that'd be great for us.
Yeah,
that's good.
That's going to be big.
Yeah, it's good that you got contacts over there, and I think they're looking like they're moving in the right direction. A few months ago, I was looking and they were still under maintenance. They were still building their project, but it looks like they're running good now, and it looks like they got a solid DeFi platform.
Yeah.
So, it'd be
that's true.
Yeah, I think it'd be good for us to try to cooperate or participate with other crypto platforms like 3speak and Discussions app and Vigor. And like Hive too, because there's so many tokens. People can win tokens for
Yeah, that's true.
So, and it's easier. It helps. We're able to help people in the same world. So I think I think that'd be good. So I'm excited. Hopefully.
Yeah. So to all our users who are on here, I also dropped the challenge for 300 Vigor tokens. So I asked you guys to make a 1-minute video, and state the reason why you would like to see CHL added on the Vigor platform. So you just do that and 300 Vigor. I think 300 Vigor is worth $1. So let me just say I'm giving out $1 to the first 15 people who are gonna join. So that's $15.
Yeah. And if Vigor goes up, I think it's been going up quite a bit. That $1
Yeah,
to a few dollars. So it's oh, looks like we got a question. How do I?
question.
Yeah, what do you see? How do I submit a listing request of CHL to a cryptocurrency company like Binance? Good question. So we typically you go on their website and go under like support. Yeah. Have you done that before? Yeah, you've applied at a couple different exchanges, right? City Mills.
Yeah, when you head on to their website, you just click on, maybe you head down the website and click on either support or customer care.
Yeah. And if anyone wants to apply, and try to get CHL on Binance or any major exchange, and you say you email them or you contact their customer support, if you take a screenshot of that and then make a challenge and challenge other people to join you, that could be something we can get behind. We might be able to reimburse you all your tokens and contribute to everybody who does that. So if we get different challenges, if we get people making several different challenges for things like that, in no time CHL will be on all the major exchanges.
Exactly. I got 100,000 CHL, also endorsed by Chase Escom, the CEO of Challenge EOS. I'm giving out 100,000 CHL to our users on Twitter. I've not dropped the giveaway yet, but it's gonna be a giveaway on Twitter. So we're gonna be looking for 4 lucky winners. The first prize is gonna be 50,000 CHL, while the second prize will be 25,000 CHL. The third prize will be 15,000 CHL, while the fourth prize will be 10K CHL. So warm up for that, guys.
Yeah, keep an eye out for that. I mean, that's a good chunk of CHL, and you get 50, 25,000 CHL just for doing something on Twitter.
Yeah,
that's
big one.
Yeah, that's something. Yeah, and
okay, so you got a fight tomorrow?
no fight. It's wrestling. They're wrestling for like professional wrestling tryout type stuff. So yeah, it should be fun. And so it was good that we could push it back a day early. I know last week you were working on the single last week, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I did.
Wait,
it's gonna be out soon.
Got any sneak peeks for people? Any? Or are they just gonna have to wait?
Yeah, it's two songs actually. So one of them is kind of hip hop, but I'm using my dialect, my native language on one, while the other one is dancehall, just party-ish.
Nice. Yeah, we're gonna have to run it when they come out. We're gonna have to run a challenge on them to get them out, get more people.
Yeah, we gotta get them out, man.
Yeah,
it's gotta go viral.
Yeah. So and that's what the challenge is here to do. I mean, it hopefully challenge can be that machine that can give different things a little push to help it, help their chances of going viral. I think right now, unless you have a whole lot of cryptocurrency, I don't think you can make something go viral just by challenge DAC. But I think challenge DAC is a good Kickstarter, is a good way of getting something started and kind of putting that first, giving it that first push. So yeah.
Okay, guys. So keep sending in your questions. Okay, we got questions. All right. I hope we didn't bypass any question. Okay. We got a comment from Ekemini Udodon. I love you guys. I love what you guys are doing. I think keep it up. CHL for life. Okay. We love it too, Gemini. One love. Okay. We got a question from Opeyemi Niger. Okay. And it says, this kind of listing stuff, I've also tried it and they requested for white paper. Okay.
Did you give them their white paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, we.
He wanted to list our token on the platform and they requested for the white paper.
Yeah. If you ever need the white paper, just contact us. I'm pretty sure it might be on the website, but we have a new version of the white paper that's all nice
The document.
and well written, graphics, easy to understand. So let us know if you need the white paper, and it shouldn't be hard to find. You know, it should be all over. I think places like CoinGecko and like some of the different maybe like some of the different gap rating sites have our white paper too, but it's online. You should be able to find it, but at very worst, contact us and we can get it to you.
Yeah, I think I lost connection for a while.
Yeah, I can hear you now. It sounds like you're coming in clear now.
Yeah. Okay. Someone says, this one is from I am Obuba. Haven't haven't been able to sign up till date. Okay, I am Obuba. Are you sure you used your phone number or your Google account? If you're using an iPhone, you should use your iCloud account, or if you're using your Android, you use your to log on. When you try the phone number and it doesn't seem to work, I think that's not work for you.
Yeah, we have a few different options. I think we got phone number, email, and I think we got a third one too. Maybe it's like iCloud or something. But there's 3 different ways of creating an
Yeah.
account. So hopefully, sometimes there's places in the world where people have trouble with the phone number, or some places people have trouble with the email. But one of them should work for you. So if you have trouble with the phone number, try the email. Email doesn't work, try something else. But we should be able to onboard everybody right now.
All right. We got another comment from Opeyemi Niger, and he says, I've been able to contact OKX and CoinGecko. All right. Thanks for that, bro.
Uh,
Okay.
send
Yeah.
us your wallet
Just deep.
address, and we should
Yeah.
hook them up with some CHL. Get in contact with us,
Yeah.
and if you've been reaching out to OKEX and CoinGecko, and reach out to us and tell us your wallet address, and we'll hook you up with some CHL for that, because that's different people doing different things like that. People people who are decentralized, who are helping out in different ways. That's really what grows the project.
Yeah. So if you're just joining us, kindly drop your question. If you have a question to ask, drop a question so you get your rewards after the live section.
VPen3 is on. He's been a long time challenge user. I think he's one of the first users.
Yeah.
So
Pioneer user.
yeah, good to see him on.
That's true. I think we got a lot of we got Americans, we got a lot of Africans, we got Indonesians.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
little live stream where we probably got 4 different continents, because I'm in America, you're in Africa, then we got, I think Vinpin is I think he's in South Asia, probably Bangladesh. I think we got a lot of users in Bangladesh and Venezuela. We got a lot of people from Venezuela. I think I've seen a few from there. So that's 3 continents. Not so many people from Europe. I don't. We got many European users.
Come again? I didn't get that.
We have very many European users. Sometimes I don't know if we got a lot of European users.
Yeah. We got European users. I think one of them was the guy who liked to do Geo Challenge. I've forgotten his name.
Yeah, he was from Hive, wasn't he?
Yeah.
He was from France. Yeah, he did some good Hive articles for us. But yeah, we're global. We're all across the world. and you know, we got users all across the world. So
We got we got two. Yeah, we got two new questions. One is from Molly Logret. How can they be increased in the words of CHL?
it's the worth of CHL has to change in people's minds. So, you know, if enough people believe something about CHL, then it will come through in the price. You know, I think and you know, us as founders, we got to be careful about giving advice about price or whatever. But you know, our idea is we make a useful application that people use, and we let people use the CHL token and basically control the content on the application. So you got a busy application people are using, and instead of having
That's
advertising,
right.
you let people have the token is almost like the advertising. So you can control which, as a community, we can control which posts get higher or lower in the news feed based on the CHL token, and it's all decentralized, it's all transparent. And I think we're setting we're setting an example of how to run a decentralized, transparent community that's going to be, I think, way better than what people are used to using.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the answer. Okay, so we got another one from Viper. What is the future plan of the challenge deck application?
Just keep on, you know, we're like any software. I mean, you know, Safari, any applications you're using right now, a lot of times they're constantly updating, they're constantly improving. And that's kind of what we have to do as software developers, is we're constantly improving, constantly making things better. And the main thing we're doing is we're listening. So we put out the software, we listen to our users, we listen to you guys right now, get feedback about what's liked, what's not liked, and then implement it into our new software. And that's what we're doing right now. That's what we're going to continue to do.
Excellent.
And you know, how we measure success is how many users, how many happy users we have. And we started last year with 0. We're close to 10,000 now, and we've said it before. You know, we
Yeah.
want to get 100,000 this year.
Yeah. Congratulations in advance.
Yeah, I think you know, all of us, we got what it takes to, you know, get this. I think 100,000 users is actually kind of on the small end, but I think that 100,000 is a magic number. Once we get there, that's going to be a big milestone for the project.
True that. Okay. We got another question from Madhu Shen. Okay. Pardon me if I can't pronounce your name well. And it says, I heard CHL will list a lot of exchanges. Okay. I think he wanted to say I heard CHL will be listed on a lot of exchanges.
Yeah, you could be right. You know, we've talked with, I mean, gosh, we've talked with so many exchanges, and a lot of them, what it comes down to is a lot of exchanges want fees to list a token, and they'll try to get the fees from you if they can. But we've been spending all our money on development, and I think that exchanges are starting to see that we have a working product, that we're a real project, and that we have a solid token. And I think they're going to start listing us regardless. You know, they'd like to get us a listing fee from us, but I think some of these exchanges don't want to miss out on having a big a token like ours that has so much upside potential. So I wouldn't be surprised if Coinbase started tracking us a few weeks ago. We had a Coinbase challenge, but I wouldn't be surprised if a big player like Coinbase or somebody lists us. I mean, we've been on OKEX before, so even if they just listed us again, that'd be huge.
Yeah. Okay. I think the person who asked the question should be satisfied with the answer. All right. On to the next one. I want to make challenges. This one is from Oluwapelu, and it says, I want to make challenges, but got not enough tokens. Okay, Oluwapelu, you could message me, then I'll send you maybe 100 CHL or 200 CHL so you can make your first challenge.
Yeah.
And I'm also happy that a lot of users are actually making challenges on their own.
Yeah, yeah, that's
That's
really
great.
yeah, it's cool to see that. This last week's been a big week for that. I've seen probably more challenges being made by users than probably ever before, which is really cool. I think people are starting to understand how it works.
Yeah. All right. Somebody asked, this one is from still from Oluwapelu, and it says, how do I transfer EOS or CHL tokens to my Challenge DAC account? All right. It's simple. All you have to do is you send your desired amount of EOS or CHL from your EOS wallet to challenge you. That is challenge YOU. You join them together, challenge you. Then your username, your challenge that username is gonna be your memo. Make sure you don't make any mistake because a lot of people normally send their tokens to challenge you without adding the memo. You should make sure that your memo is your challenge that username. Challenge you is the contract account. It's CHALLENGEYOU. Then the memo will be your challenge username.
Yep. Yeah, and it's you know, you can add tokens, you can withdraw tokens. We make it very easy, and the nice thing is it's free. You know, once you create a Challenger DAC account, we don't charge you for any resources. You don't have to worry about CPU,
Yeah.
and you're able to interact with the network, you know, instantly and for free.
Yeah. So if you want to withdraw from your challenge app, you simply type in your EOS account. That one does not require a memo.
Yep.
Yeah. I think I'll make a post about that. I'll make a post about that so our users can be aware
Yeah.
of how to withdraw. And
Yeah, it probably would help to do little like tutorials or whatever, and maybe do like video tutorials or Hive tutorials. Um, but yeah, just educating people and helping them, you know, because if you don't know how to do little things like that, it's hard to, you know, really interact with challenge.
yeah. Another question. It says, is it possible to get 1 million CHL from the challenge that spin wheel?
I think so. I think
Great.
that we actually, you can see it on the graphics now. So on the graphics, it shows you what the jackpot is, and I think the jackpot is like 200 or 300 EOS. So yeah, it's very possible, and that's hard coded in our smart contract. We can't even touch the prize money. That prize money is for you guys, and that it just randomly gets put out. You know, and you got a chance of hitting like 50% of the jackpot. You got a chance of hitting like 1%, and I think you got a chance of hitting 90%. I don't know if anyone wins all of it, but I know that like 90% of it can be won at one time.
Okay. Okay, we got another one from Marco 850. And it says, will the new challenge crypto be included in the challenge that app in the future? Do you increase the challenge? New challenge crypto included. Yeah, yeah. We are sure gonna add other cryptocurrencies on the challenge app,
Yeah.
if that's what you're asking. And this second question, I don't understand the second question. Do you increase the challenge? If you're talking about the challenges, okay, go ahead, Chase.
Yeah, maybe he's asking if we're going to continue to give out challenge tokens or if we're going to increase the amount. But, um, you know, we've had over close to 3 years history now. We've never increased the token supply. In fact, we've decreased it. And we're committed to that. We're not planning on increasing the token supply. And right now we're giving out 20 CHL for every new user. But there's no telling how long we can do that for. We can't do that indefinitely because we're going to run out of tokens. So probably, you know, in a few more months, but after a while, we're going to probably put a limit to that. And the reason we give out 20 tokens now, and what we've done is anybody creates a challenge, I think it requires like 5 CHL tokens. So the person on earlier, they ran out of challenge tokens, probably just because they had to like, I think every time you comment and every time you make a challenge, it takes like 5 CHL or something. And the reason we did that is to stop spammers. We had a problem with spamming. People would just keep posting the same challenge over and over again. So we limit those people and use the CHL for that. But yeah, we can't be giving out this many tokens forever. So we'll probably come to the end sooner or later.
Okay, good answer right there. All right, we got this one from Goddy Esson, and it says, "Hi, Mr. Chase. Hi, Mr. City. I want to ask, why is there much gas fees to withdraw CHL from Discord? It was free before." I don't notice that. Like, I'm not sure they are charging fees to withdraw CHL. So maybe, I don't know, maybe the value of your balance decreased. I think the value of the tokens in your wallet decreased, because I have not noticed any fee charge when I'm withdrawing my CHL from Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think that we answered a lot of questions for today.
Yeah.
And I want to remind you guys that you guys should take a screenshot of your question, because if you just tell me that you asked the question without showing me the screenshot, I won't be sure. Some people do post links. Some people say they attended, they just comment without posting the screenshot. If I recognize your name, I can reward you if you don't have a screenshot. But if I don't recognize your name, I won't be able to reward you.
Yeah, makes our jobs a lot easier if you guys just, do a simple screenshot, something real basic really helps us out.
Yeah, so if you attended without asking questions, you can still get rewarded, because I'm gonna set up a challenge just right after this live stream, and I'll be rewarding everyone who joined us with some CHL tokens. I think 2,000 CHL tokens for the people who joined us, and for the people who ask questions, we'll be giving out how much, Chase?
Let's do 5,000. Let's do 5,000.
Okay. See, that's how we roll on the challenge deck.
That's not bad. Usually not much. That's more than we usually do. But today, I think generous. It's a good day, Friday. Just be, I was impressed. We got a lot of good questions. So this is 5,000.
Yeah, and we keep seeing surprises every day on the app. The users keep getting surprised with the kind of challenge they meet every day. So it's fun. Yep. Yeah, most of them were expecting like 4K CHL, like I normally give them. So they got 1,000 CHL extra.
Yeah, and a lot of these guys that are these guys and gals that are contributing and winning, they're stacking up a good chunk of CHL. I know a lot of these people have hundreds of thousands of CHL. They're getting they're stacking up. So yeah, we get popular. We get a big listing or two. They're going to be very happy.
Yeah, and they will all be pioneer users.
Yeah,
they'll be the pioneer users of the app. Yeah.
Cool. So do we got any more questions? We've been going for close to an hour. Got some good questions. Anything else for us?
Does anyone have any question? I think we'll take the last questions.
Yeah, I'm not really seeing it. I think that was all of them. So, and all of it, if you guys missed it, you guys have some questions, you can always drop it on the Telegram channel too. We just like to come every week and, answer questions in real time. But hopefully that, answered all you guys' questions this week. If you guys need anything, like we said, reach out to us on Telegram. And I think that's it. Anything else for us, City Mills?
Yeah, don't forget to join the challenge, the 300 Vigor challenge. Yep. Just make a 1-minute video telling the challenge team why you would like to see CHL added on the Vigor platform. And also check out for the 100K CHL Twitter giveaway. That's massive, bro.
Yeah. If you log on right now, there's dozens of ways of winning a good amount of crypto, doing just simple things. So if you haven't yet, don't hesitate. Get on the challenge, West application, start winning.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks everyone for joining.
All right. Have a good weekend.
We love you guys.
All right.
CHL to the moon.
All right. Bye-bye.